In this video, we are going to discuss about few of the questions based on endocrine system which are important in terms of board examinations. So let's discuss few questions. The question number 1 is study the diagram given alongside and then answer the questions that follows. Name the cells of the pancreas that produces glucagon and insulin. There are three kinds of cells in pancreas. One is alpha, one is beta, and one is delta. The cells that produce glucagon is alpha, and the cells that produce insulin is beta. So here the answer is alpha and beta. Second question is state the main function of glucagon and insulin. Glucagon converts glycogen into glucose. It converts glycogen to glucose, and insulin converts glucose to glycogen. Our next question is why is the pancreas referred to as an exoendocrine gland? Pancreas is referred as because it produces enzyme that is trypsin, and endocrine as it produces hormone that is insulin. Why is insulin not given orally but is injected into the body? See, insulin is a protein. If it will taken as oral tablet, then it will goes to stomach. There it will be digested because in a stomach we can digest protein. Number two, insulin is a hormone that has to be directly enter into blood. That's why insulin is not given orally but is injected. What is the technical term for the cells of pancreas that produce endocrine hormones? The technical terms for these cells are islet of Langerhans. Where in the body is pancreas located? Pancreas is located between stomach and duodenum. Here please note, don't write near the stomach because when you are writing near the stomach, suppose आपने लिखा near the stomach, तो हमें नहीं पता चल रहा कि स्टमक के इधर है इधर है इधर है इधर है इधर है किधर है. Okay, so you need to be specific for location. Now the next question is name the glands marked 1 to 5. This is another important question which could be asked on the basis of diagram. So in brain we have pituitary, in neck region we have thyroid, here we have pancreas, this is the kidney, above the kidney we have adrenal gland. Now if it in male it is testes, then in female it is ovary. Name the hormones secreted by 2. Give one important function of this hormone. Now by 2, the hormone secreted by 2 is thyroxine, and the important function of thyroxine is to regulate basal metabolism. Name the endocrine cells present in part 3. Part 3 is pancreas. अभी हमने किया है कि पेनक्रियास के अंदर जो सेल्स होती हैं जो एंडोक्राइन नेचर में होती हैं उनका नाम क्या है? उनका नाम है आइलेट ऑफ लिंगरहैंस. तो मैं शॉर्ट में लिख देती हूँ आइलेट ऑफ Langerhans. Name the hormone secreted by part 4. Part 4 is kidney के ऊपर जो है adrenal gland है. Okay, wait. Let's come on part 4. On part 4 we have adrenal gland. Now adrenal gland produce hormone that is there are two hormones. Adrenal gland में दो चीज़ें होती हैं. One is a cortex region, कुछ इस तरीके से शेप है adrenal gland की. Outer region is called cortex and inner region is called medulla. This is adrenal medulla and this one is cortex region. From cortex there is a hormone that is cortisol, and from medulla there is a hormone that is adrenaline. So you can write both. व्हाट इज द इम्पॉर्टेंट फंक्शन ऑफ दिस हार्मोन? नो, एड्रीनल कॉर्टेक्स से जो इम्पॉर्टेंट हार्मोन निकलता है दैट इज ग्लूकोकॉर्टिकॉइड which helps in the metabolism of glucose, protein, fat. While medullary region से जो हार्मोन निकलता है that is adrenaline. Adrenaline prepare the body for stress और emergency hormone. So ये निकलता है आपका medullary region से and this one is from cortex region. Okay. So move towards the next question. Dash is caused due to malfunction of thyroid in infants. Infants में malfunctioning की वजह से होता है cretinism. Sorry, spelling is wrong. In diabetes dash, glucose is excreted along with the urine. That is diabetes mellitus. Dash converts glycogen into glucose. Glycogen को ग्लूकोज में कौन कन्वर्ट करेगा? ग्लूकेगॉन. Dash is caused by dietary deficiency of iodine. Simple goiter, or you may write goiter also. If the dash gland is removed, the secondary sexual characters will be poorly developed in male. That is testes. Okay, our next question is fill in the blanks using the terms given below. You may repeat the same term more than once. Thyroid. Sorry, low level of thyroid hormone in blood stimulates the thyroid releasing hormone. Sorry, hypothalamus to secrete thyroid releasing hormone, which in turn stimulates the anterior pituitary to secrete thyroid stimulating hormone. This hormone causes the thyroid to release thyroid hormone into the blood. Thus, normal blood level of thyroid is restored and release of TSH is inhibited. थायराइड स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन का अब सिक्रीशन कम हो जाएगा. Okay, part 1 is larynx, part 2 is thyroid, part 3 is trachea, part 4 is esophagus, and part 5 is parathyroid gland. So part 1 is larynx, part 2 is windpipe, clear है हमको. Part 2 is thyroid, part 3 is windpipe, part 4 is esophagus, part 5 is parathyroid. Name the hormones secreted by 2 and 5. 2 से जो हार्मोन सिक्रेट होता है थायराइड से थायरोक्सिन, एंड 5 पैराथायरॉइड से पैराथायरोक्सिन. दैट इज नॉट इन योर सिलेबस फॉर दिस ईयर. Which chemicals in our body are greatly affected by hormones? The chemicals in our body which are greatly affected by hormones are enzymes, which constitute the enzymatic reaction of the body. Name the element related with the functioning of hormones secreted by structure 2 and 5. Name the elements related with the functioning of hormones secreted by structure 2 and 5. See, iodine is related with the functioning of gland 2, and calcium and phosphorus are related to the functioning of gland 5. जो थायराइड है उसकी फंक्शनिंग आयोडीन की वजह से रेगुलेट होती है एंड पैराथायरॉयड की कैल्शियम एंड फॉस्फोरस की वजह से। आप पैराथायरॉयड को छोड़ सकते हैं क्योंकि वो आपके सिलेबस का पार्ट नहीं है, बट फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन आपको पता है। Now this is another kind of question where you are supposed to answer on the basis of the given disease. Name the condition. This is the condition which is goiter. Already answer is given here. What is the underlying cause of this condition? The thyroid gland enlarged due to deficiency due to iodine deficiency in the diet. Name two other conditions that could have resulted due to similar cause. It could cause cretinism in children if it is deficient from the childhood and myxoedema in case of adults. Which hormone is required for iodine synthesis, that is thyroxine? Where is the thyroid gland located? It is located at a mid-ventral position in posterior part of pharynx. You may write this also, or you may write in front of larynx on either side of trachea. Our next question is the hormone secreted by thyroid gland is controlled from which hormone? The hormone secreted by the thyroid gland is controlled by TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, released from interior lobe of pituitary. Okay, complete the following table. This is another important question and marked approx 5 marks. Regulate basal metabolism. Gland is thyroid. Hormone secreted is thyroxine. Pancreas beta cells. Hormone secreted is insulin. It converts extra glucose into glycogen. It increases heartbeat. Now here you may have two answers in your mind. One is thyroxine and one is adrenaline. The right answer is adrenaline because thyroxine increase heartbeat just because of the change in basal metabolism. But direct heartbeat increase करना कौन करता है? Adrenal. So here the gland is adrenal and hormone is adrenaline. Thyroid stimulating hormone. Thyroid stimulating hormone, that is TSH, it released from interior pituitary gland. आप complete answer लिखेंगे. I am just explaining, that's why I am writing in short. Here if you will not write interior or posterior part, you will not marked at all. And effect on the body, it stimulate thyroid gland. चाहे तो पूरा लिख सकते हैं. It stimulates thyroid gland to secrete thyroxine hormone. Okay, our next question is name of the gland, islet of Langerhans, substance produced insulin, important function converts glucose into glycogen. Adrenaline कहाँ से secrete हुआ? Adrenal gland. Important function to prepare the body for emergency or to prepare the body for stress condition. Thyroxine released from thyroid gland control basal metabolism. Basal metabolism. Okay, LH hormone, it is not in your syllabus, luteinizing hormone, but it released from interior pituitary gland and it helps in the functioning of testosterone hormone in male, progesterone in female. उनकी functioning में ये support करता है. Similar question, estrogen, it released from ovary. As such, not in your syllabus for this year. Effect on the body, it helps in pregnancy. Alpha cells of pancreas release glucagon, which converts glycogen into glucose. Protruding eyes, it is in thyroid. Secretion is thyroxine. अब यहाँ पर secretion जो आप लिख रहे हैं, just hold on. यहाँ पर जब आप secretion लिख रहे हैं protruding eyes में, तो यहाँ पर आपको excess secretion of thyroxine लिखना पड़ेगा. Sorry. Reason is, यदि आपने सिर्फ thyroxine लिखा, नो डाउट थायरॉक्सिन की एक्सेस सिक्रीशन से ही एक्सोप्थेलेमिक गोइटर होता है, बट आपको बताना पड़ेगा ना कि एक्सेस सिक्रीशन है. लेक्राइमल, ये टीयर सिक्रीट करते हैं, या सॉरी इनका जो सिक्रीशन है वो लाइसोजाइम एंजाइम है. ये बैक्टीरियोसाइडर इनका फंक्शन होता है. या क्लीन आइस को क्लीन करने में हेल्प करते हैं, आइस के अंदर जर्म्स को किल करने में हेल्प करते हैं. लास्ट इज गिग्नेटिज्म, इंटीरियर पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड से एक्सेस ऑफ ग्रोथ हार्मोन, ह्यूमन ग्रोथ हार्मोन सॉरी, कॉजेस गिग्नेटिज्म. गिग्नेटिज्म कब होता है? जब बाय बर्थ आपके अंदर ह्यूमन हार्मोन, ग्रोथ हार्मोन एक्सेस में है. सो मोर और लेस जो मेन इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस इसमें बनते हैं, या तो इस तरीके से आपको टेबल मिलता है, वो आपको टेबल कंप्लीट करना है, या डायग्राम बेस्ड क्वेश्चन हो सकता है, या आपको रीजनिंग बेस्ड क्वेश्चन हो सकते हैं. Few reasoning based questions we will discuss in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.